Good evening, Chairman Shaw, board members, Dr. Avosa, and members of the dais. I am Dr. Kathy Gunlack, President of the Palm Beach County Classroom Teachers Association. First, I want to thank Dr. Avosa and Dr. Christensen for their support in our efforts in working with the district to provide professional development to our teachers in order to increase academic achievement. To that end, a team comprised of Mr. Harris, Mr. Oswald, Mr. Vella, a member of the Glades Tri-City Coalition, and I will work together on a plan to ensure and increase student achievement. We will be traveling to New York City tomorrow to work on this project with guidance from the American Federation of Teachers. Our effort is, as is yours, to have the most effective teacher in front of every student, and hope we don't get snowed in. At the last regular board meeting, I talked about a stress survey over 2,000 of our members completed. The results were very sobering. 33% of the respondents indicated that they will seek opportunities of employment outside education because of the change in stress this year. 77% indicated that increased paperwork, data entry, and increased workload had added to their stress, along with the increased number of meetings and trainings. Other areas of concern included lack of individual planning time, too many changes, and Marzano not being implemented with fidelity. Principals are requiring teachers to complete activities that are not necessarily part of the Marzano system. For example, at one school, every teacher was told they must post their goals and scales. This is not a requirement of Marzano. However, students do need to know their learning goal. That is a requirement. Teachers were told they must refer to their goals and scales at least 3 times during a lesson. Again, not a requirement of Marzano. And the last area of stress was financial, due to the lack of significant raises. That is continuing to be a major concern of our teachers. Finally, as you begin to develop the budget for next year, I want to remind you to put people first, not programs, not materials, people first. Some interesting facts from the 2014-15 Survey 3 data. The average teacher salary in Palm Beach is $48,166. In Dade, $53,304, and Broward, $55,983. We have not yet reached an agreement at this time concerning 2016. Our teachers need relief. They have worked diligently, and we remain the highest performing urban district in the state. That should be rewarded. Thank you.